Hello everyone, myself Rupali Kashyap. Today I am going to discuss about aziridine and oxirane. Introduction. Three-membered saturated heterocycle containing nitrogen as heteroatom are called aziridine or azocyclopropane or ethylene amine. Aziridine are biological alkylating and anti-cancer agent because of their tendency to undergo ring opening reaction with nucleophiles. थ्री-मेंबर्ड सैचुरेटेड हेटेरोएटम नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग होता है जिसे एजिडरीन कहते हैं। एजिडरीन बायोलॉजिकल एल्किलेशन एंड एंटी कैंसर एजेंट होता है क्योंकि इनकी टेंडेंसी न्यूक्लियोफाइल के साथ रिंग ओपनिंग रिएक्शन होती है। ये एजिडरीन की स्ट्रक्चर है। Some derivatives are used in plastic coating and in textile industries. They are toxic in nature. Derivatives ये एजिरिडीन के कुछ डेरिवेटिव्स हैं। The natural occurring compound mitomycin shows antibiotic and anti-tumor activity that of associated with the presence of aziridine ring. Properties. Characteristics. Ammonical order. Boiling point is 50 degrees centigrade. Soluble in water. Strongly toxic. Weakly basic with the pKa value of 7.98. Planar and rigid. Ring strength in the molecule. Dipole moment is 2.09 to 4.40 D. The intramolecular ring closure reaction mainly depend on two factors: ring strength and chain strength. Ring strength. The ring closure is more difficult with greater ring strength in the product of cyclization. और second है chain length. The ring closure ability falls off with an increase in the chain length. Synthesis reaction में first the gradual ring closure. Aziridine was first obtained in 1888 by heating beta bromoethylamine in presence of potassium hydroxide. बीटा ब्रोमोएथिलएमीन को जब पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ रिएक्शन कराया जाता है तो एजिरिडीन का फॉर्मेशन होता है प्लस KBr प्लस का H2O फॉर्म होता है। सेकेंड 1,3 डाइपोलर साइक्लोएडिशन। हाई प्रेशर इंड्यूस्ड 1,3 डाइपोलर साइक्लोएडिशन ऑफ एजाइड्स विथ इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट ओलिफिन एजिरिडीन इन इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट ओलिफिन के साथ एजाइड का रिएक्शन हाई प्रेशर में करने पर प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन होता है। यह 1,3 डाइपोलर साइक्लोएडिशन रिएक्शन है। थर्ड फ्रॉम ऑक्सीरेन। Aziridine derivative is prepared by heating oxirane with substituted aminophosphorane at 140 degrees centigrade in absence of a solvent and moisture. ऑक्सीरेन के साथ सब्स्टिट्यूट एमिनोफॉस्फोरेन को 140 डिग्री में हीट करने पर 1-मेथिल 2 फेनिल एजिरिडीन का फॉर्मेशन होता है। Chemical properties. One of most important reaction of small ring compound is the ring opening. These rings are strain and relief of strain make ring opening more facile. The aziridine ring is readily opened in the presence of several reagents provide a wide variety of derivatives. The most readily cleaved bond is between carbon and nitrogen. First, ring opening reaction. Ring opening of aziridine is also affected by nucleophiles like water, amines and alcohol. Some reactions are follow. Reaction with HCl carbon nitrogen bond cleavage. Thermal reaction. If unsaturated groups are present on an atom of aziridine rearranged under different types of experimental conditions, two substituted 2-oxaline is formed by the distillation of an acyl derivative of aziridine. एजिरिडीन में प्रेजेंस एन में यदि कोई अनसैचुरेटेड ग्रुप अटैच होता है तो यह थर्मल रिएक्शन के द्वारा रीअरेंज हो सकता है। थर्ड, द फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन. Eziridine undergoes a facile Friedel-Crafts reaction with benzene in the presence of AlCl3 resulting in the formation of beta-phenylethylamine. एजिरिडीन को जब बेंजीन के साथ AlCl3 की प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन कराया जाता है तो बीटा फेनिल एथिल एमीन का फॉर्मेशन होता है। फोर्थ, रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ द H atom. The hydrogen on the nitrogen atom in eziridine is reactive and can be replaced by appropriate reagent as illustrated in the following reaction. 2-phenyl एजिरिडीन को जब ClCOOC2H5 के साथ रिएक्शन कराया जाता है तो 2-फेनिल एजिरिडीन का H रिप्लेस हो जाता है और उसके पोजीशन पर COOC2H5 ग्रुप अटैच्ड हो जाता है, प्लस का HCl फॉर्म होता है। और जब 2-फेनिल एजिरिडीन एन ब्यूटिल लिथियम की प्रेजेंस में CH3I के साथ रिएक्शन कराया जाता है तो H वहाँ का रिप्लेस हो जाता है और उसमें मेथिल ग्रुप अटैच्ड हो जाता है, प्लस का HI का फॉर्मेशन होता है। 1-मेथिल-2-फेनिल एजिरिडीन का फॉर्मेशन होता है। फिफ्थ, ओजोनोलाइसिस. When and tertiary butyl aziridine is treated with ozone in CH2Cl2 is result in the formation of and tertiary butyl aziridine and oxide. 6. Photochemical reaction. The photochemistry of aziridine derivative has been extensively investigated. Irradiation may result in a number of expected photochemical reactions such as isomerization, rearrangement, fragmentation. Under photolytic conditions, the following stereoisomeric urethanes undergo geometrical isomerization without any detectable fragmentation. Oxyrene. The saturated heterocycle three-membered ring containing one oxygen atom is called oxyrene. Oxyrene or ethylene oxide was first discovered in 1859 and is isomeric with acetaldehyde. It is an important industrial and research chemical. Such compounds have marked physiological properties showing cancerogenic and antibiotic properties. यह ऑक्सीरेन की स्ट्रक्चर है। प्रॉपर्टीज. ऑक्सीरेन इज अ कलरलेस लिक्विड. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इन 10.7 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. इट इज अ गैस एट रूम टेम्परेचर. इट इज अ पोलर and has a dipole moment of 1.88 d in benzene solution. Oxyrene and methyloxyrene are miscible with water. The carbon-carbon bond distance 1.472 angstrom is intermediate between that a normal carbon-carbon bond distance 1.54 angstrom and that of a carbon-carbon double bond distance 1.33 angstrom. The strain energy in oxyrene has been estimated to be 13 calories per mole. Synthesis method. From the oxidation of alkenes. When ethylene is oxidized with oxygen in the presence of silver catalyzed at elevated temperature, oxyrene is formed. The yield is low. Second, ring closure method. An excellent method for the introduction of epoxide ring involves various ring closure procedures. A transchlorohydrin, for example, prepared by the addition of hypochlorous acid to an alkene, undergoes a bimolecular dehydrogenation in the presence of base with the resultant cyclization to an oxyrene. Third, methylene insertion, a method that has proved quite useful in certain cases of epoxide formation. is the addition of diazoxyalkene, particularly diazomethane, to appropriate aldehyde. Diazomethane transfer a methylene group to the carbonyl group. According to this method, simple aldehyde yield a mixture of product. Acetaldehyde, for instance, gives a mixture of propylene oxide and acetone. Benzaldehyde, on the other hand, chemical properties. Ring opening reaction. Electrophilic reagent attack on oxygen most rarely with the opening of bonds between oxygen and least substituted carbon atom. The direction of the ring opening is considerably affected by the nature of substituent present on the oxygen. Reaction with organometallic. The reaction between oxygen and a Grignard reagent is extensively employed for the preparation of certain primary alcohol, and lengthening of carbon-carbon bond by two atoms. An intermediate is initially formed, which on subsequent hydrolysis yield the alcohol. Metal hydrolysis reduces an epoxide ring to the corresponding alcohol styrene oxide with LiAlS for yield. Phenylethanol dihydride ion attacks C3 with the stimultaneous cleavage of the CO bond. Thermal and photochemical reaction. Aside from the reaction of solution, the oxygen ring can undergo monomolecular thermal and photochemical reaction, leading to various ring opening defragmentation. A recent study by Kwasi and co-worker has revealed the following facts about the photochemical or thermal decomposition of the oxygen. First, thermal or photochemical. The major reaction is formation of two radical fragmentation CH3 and CHO. Second, photochemically formation of above fragments is favored toward redshift to the irradiation wavelength, while that of atomic oxygen and ethylene increase at short wavelength. Third, presence of sensitizers increase the amount of stable acetaldehyde. The common postulated intermediate in two cases is a hot acetaldehyde molecule. Miscellaneous reaction. Polymeric ethers are obtained by the reaction of antimony pentafluoride on oxygen. Oxygen itself, for instance, is converted to its trimeric from 1,4,7 trioxoclonane in SbF5 equation. Thank you for watching this video.